Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make diet cheesecake. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on lighter options. You'll want to use light cream cheese and a sugar substitute to reduce calories and sugar content. Consider a simple, thin crust or even going crustless for an even lighter dessert. Preparing your pan properly is key for easy removal later, so line it with parchment paper and lightly grease the sides. For your diet cheesecake, you'll need 2 8-ounce blocks of light cream cheese, softened to room temperature. This ensures a smooth, lump-free batter. Incorporate 1 cup of your preferred granular sugar substitute, such as erythritol, and 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt for a rich, creamy texture without excess fat. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor profile. Baking your cheesecake in a water bath is crucial for a smooth, crack-free top. Place your springform pan in a larger roasting pan and fill with hot water. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until the edges are set, but the center still jiggles slightly. After baking, turn off the oven and let it cool slowly inside for 1 hour before refrigerating for at least 4 hours. Once your diet cheesecake is thoroughly chilled, it's ready to serve. Enhance its flavor with healthy toppings. Fresh berries, such as strawberries or blueberries, add natural sweetness and vibrant color. A light drizzle of sugar-free chocolate or caramel sauce can also elevate the experience. For best results, store any remaining cheesecake in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ensuring it stays fresh and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.